Hey guys, just before the video starts, this is me putting a disclaimer. This is the first video my grandpa's done over this video, over a video like this. Just so you know, he thought he did he was really nervous about it and everything. But I told him he did fine and everything. Just because it's the first thing he's actually done on camera and stuff. So I don't blame him. We've all been there. I used to be like that. Remember the old monotone videos I used to do where he used to talk like, yeah guys, we're gonna play this game today, but then we added emotion and stuff, so it's all fine. I get that. First video time jitters, we all get it. Also guys, at the end I said how to remove a battery. I meant to say airbag, but automotives is not really something I might mess too much in, but there's definitely going to be more of it in the channel because I really enjoyed it and it's something I want to do more. But anyway guys, of course, if you all do enjoy this video, let's go ahead and head to the intro.
You moron! That's impossible! What astounding
Alright, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Abe Joseph here with the video that usually I don't do. But guys, there's like an easy way to take the airbag out of 2000 to 2005 Chevy Impalas. As you can see, there's a whole bunch here. But my grandpa found an easy way to do it. He tried to look it up on YouTube, but there wasn't really, real good videos on how to do it. So he'll show you how to do it here today.
What's up? What I found on the 2000 to 2005 Impala, you don't have to disassemble anything on a steering column. All you have to do is turn your wheel into a manner. Oop, already took this one off. I'm just back in here for show. On the back side of your steering column, there is a Torx tip screw. You do not have to remove those. Alongside of those is two holes that you can take a short flathead screwdriver. Change places here for a second, Bubba, while and then comes in from the back side, and you put your screwdriver in. Once this is out, I'll show you where those spots are located. In these holes right here is where your airbag attaches to. On the back side of your steering column, you can get in here if you put your screwdriver in just right. Now come up here, Bubba, and look right down this hole right here. And you slide your screwdriver in, and then you turn it, and that little piece moves. That disengages your airbag. And on the back side, oops, sorry about that. There's 4 slots to do that with. So once you get one side propped up, you gotta hold it up until you get the other one. And then once you do that, usually the other two will give way as soon as you do that. They attach to these little clips right here. And wires slide into them grooves, there and there, there and there. Once you pop that, then it's just a matter of unplugging your wires. Be very careful. Make sure that you do not have the battery engaged and leave it set for at least an hour before you attempt this. You do not want one of these things going off in your face. So now you can show them on the back side here, Joseph, where the little slot is down there that you slide your screwdrivers in.
See if I can. This part right here. Do you have your phone on you to use your flashlight because it's kind of hard to see the light?
I'll get my light on there. You see that? See them grooves in there?
This right here, right?
Yeah, it's right in that slot. There's a slot on each side of that other steering wheel right here. See where that screw feel in there? Where that screw is? It's on each side of that screw is a slot.
Oh, yep.
In that slot, you put your flat screwdriver in. You don't want it too long. It doesn't have to be real fat. You slide it in there until it engages that wire, and then you just give it a slight bend, or just twist it just a little bit, and that will release that latch. And I had to learn that the hard way, folks, because nobody had a video that showed that. So we had a catastrophic airbag go off before I picked this car up. You don't want this in your face trying to take this off. So make sure you disengage the battery, let it set for a while so it discharges the system before you attempt this. Unless you are skilled enough to do it without it.
Is that all?
I would not recommend not disengaging the battery. That's it, Bo.
All right, well, there you have it, guys. That's how you you know, take the battery off of an Impala. Pretty easy and stuff, and now you guys know how to do it in a matter of only, well, about 5 minutes. So of course, if you all did enjoy, as always, and I'll see you all in the next video. Till then though, peace out and have a good one.